Hello everyone, and welcome back to How To. Today we're going to be talking about the original Kakeibo method, which is the Japanese method of saving money. Kakeibo means household book or ledger, and it's a simple and straightforward approach to managing your finances and spendings. And it was invented in 1904 by Hani Motoko. It's a simple method and it's easy to use. You don't need any technology and all you need is a paper and a pen. The first step in the Kakeibo method is setting your goals. Every month, record the following: your fixed income and expenses. Set up a saving goal for the month and a promise to achieve that goal. Step 2. Use the 4 pillars, which is how you're going to record all of your expenses. The 4 pillars are survival, culture, optional, and extra. Let's go into more detail. The first pillar is survival, which is your absolutely necessary expenses, such as accommodation, groceries, medical, or other similar necessary items. The second pillar, which is culture, shows cultural activities, such as reading, films, theater, music concerts, or other similar items that can be grouped into this spending category. The third pillar is optional. Things you don't need but can afford, such as restaurants, shopping, drinks with friends, or other similar items. The fourth pillar is extra expenses, which are completely unanticipated or out of the ordinary, such as birthday, cars, repairs, replacements, or similar items that don't necessarily happen every month. The third step is to calculate your expenses using the pillars. All the expenses under all the 4 columns and how much money you saved should be calculated every month to compare saving with your monthly saving goal. And the fourth step is to evaluate your performance with 4 questions. At the end of each month, ask yourself these questions. How much money do you have? How much are you actually spending? How much money would you like to save? And how can you improve on that? Your next steps after organizing your finances are to cut down on optional expenses and cut down on cultural expenses and be mindful of extra expenses. To implement this system, watch this video often because frequent reminders are always helpful. But be cautious and do not deprive yourself of joys and pleasures of life, which are just as important as saving. The goal should be to avoid impulse buying and be mindful of what you are buying. Be sure to see our video on how to use Kakeibo method before purchasing non-essential items, and the link is at the end of this video and also in the description. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to How To for more free information.